Well, I got a toy model, and let's review about it, shall we? So today I'm going to do a toy review, and this is a Centytoys model of the Vande Bharat train sets, which are recently released in India in 2019. Without further ado, let's just review this toy and what are my personal opinions on it. Okay, by far looking at the package, we see the product here, and I gotta say it's pretty detailed. I say, and the roof details are is actually interesting. Like, is the photo is written Nav Bharat, probably due to some like copyright issues, and it says the saffron excess, which is the another type of paint scheme. And we see the back, it's just nothing. Here's the product photo of the product here. It says back accent, and it says about the product, yada yada yada. Okay, without further ado, let's just open this box and review this toy. So let's just open this up. Let's just throw this box, we do not need it. So by far looking at this model, it's very detailed. Like look at the front is the name in the headlights, has the side of it, it's another part, there's some doors and windows which do not show interior of it. There's some molded in details, and is the back bottom of it. Here's the top of it, which is actually quite interesting. Like for a toy, it's actually quite detailed from the top, and the color scheme is quite actually good. Here's another door. It says the IR number, which does not match with any real life Vande Bharat trains. Here's the snow plow, and as you have probably guessed it, it's a toy, not an actual scale model, which means it can only able to go by push-pull action. So here comes the question. Would you buy this? My honest answer is yes. At this price segment, you would definitely buy it at the price of rupees 345, which is $3.96. It's actually probably good gift for your boy who loves trains. And that's pretty much it. Sorry for this short video. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment. So see you in the next one. Ooga booga booga. Bye bye.